street. Rain, rain, rain. Bet even the ducks wouldn't come out in weather like this. But me, I'm an idiot.
Hey guys, we're finally back out in Critter Hollow. It is kind of off and on raining right now, so I was planning on doing a construction video. However, I think we're going to save that for a nicer day. So what I'm going to do is give you a run through of what has changed and possibly what's coming. And for those of you that are new to my channel, give you a kind of a tour of Critter Hollow. I haven't been out here since last summer. I had surgery on my shoulder. We won't go into detail with that, but basically it was very painful for me to dig and move rocks around. So that's why construction sort of stopped. So it is officially spring again. The leaves are coming back and it's time to reopen the course. We don't crawl back here in the winter because it gets buried, simply put. So it is open again. Last spring we had styrofoam everywhere. It just sort of like appeared. So I don't see any this year, but there's definitely work to be done. So let's take a peek. So we got a bunch of rocks last year. This is what's left. I have moved rocks around throughout the course, you'll see. So we have some extra rocks here, so we're gonna do something with those. I don't know what yet. But hey, for crawling, rocks are like gems to us. So this is the newer section. I don't even recall where I left off last year for videos, but this is the new section. And I'll show you guys the old section in a minute. I guess we'll start off with this mess. So what we're doing is we're basically using this gardening, I don't even know what you call this stuff, but we're outlining the course with it, so it's actually going to get dug into the ground, and it's just going to go around here. So this is like I said, the new section. So there's our rocks we got last year. So we built this like sort of advanced course, bigger rocks, a little more challenging than the other side here. I do like to build in some 24 scale stuff, so if you come here with little smaller trucks, there's things for them to crawl on. Chicken mesh, I'm fiddling with that, don't mind that. So over here, Rich and I started building this like mountain thing with cement. It never got finished, as you can see, so we'll be finishing that this year. And then over here we got an underground tunnel with a bridge to get to the old section. You can see, so it goes down and under. And hey, I just realized we got sun coming out. Awesome. So yeah, this is the tunnel to go into the old section. Pretty sure the bridge sunk, so we'll have to dig that down so the trucks can fit underneath. We have our over the top, guess we'll call it bridge here. It's actually pretty challenging. More of that gardening stuff that needs to be trimmed. Up here, we're gonna put our sticker board, right? Got the rock retaining wall, we'll call it. We do have some crazy drivers, and I don't want the board getting destroyed because, well, yep, that will guaranteed to happen. Critter Hollow sign, yeah, nothing special there. This is our old rickety-rackety bridge. And every year, this seems to sink and tilt. As I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's tilting over. I'm actually thinking of taking it out and rebuilding it, building a whole new bridge. I don't know yet. Last year, look, we got a light down actually. This course does light up at night. Last year we put this in, and another 24th scale tunnel. As you can see, guys, no styrofoam. I don't know if anyone's disappointed. It's full of leaves. We gotta dig that out. Trucks can go over top, underneath. 24 scales can go underneath there. It actually wraps up and around, goes around this tree here. We got some sort of critter living in here. I don't know. See if we can get in for a closer look. Maybe not. I don't know. Snake, maybe. These rocks have really sunk. Up here we got our smaller truck, rickety rackety bridge underneath. Go underneath. Our more rickety rackety stuff. You know, it's actually easy building this stuff. It doesn't have to look good. It's what's great about this. There's our tunnel. None of this has changed. We come onto this side. We really do like our tunnels, apparently. So, I know for some of you, you've seen this already. And, yeah, that's about it. So, we will get back out here. Of course, the sun comes out. As I've said, we're not going to do any construction. So maybe we will do some construction, and we'll pop that into another video. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Smash the like button. Subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. And as always, happy trails.